Embroidering on Printify allows you to create custom apparel and accessories with unique designs. Here's how to get started with embroidery on Printify. Create a Printify account. Sign up at printify.com if you don't have an account. Select a product. In your Printify dashboard, navigate to Product Templates and click Add Product. Choose a product that supports embroidery, such as hats or polo shirts. Choose Embroidery option. Select the embroidered option when available. This option ensures your design will be stitched onto the product. Upload your design. Click on Upload File to add your embroidery design. Make sure your design is in a suitable format and meets Printify's guidelines regarding size and resolution. Position your design. Use the design tool to place your embroidery design on the product. Adjust the size and positions to fit the area designated for embroidery. Set product details. Enter product details such as titles, descriptions, and pricing. Publish the product. Once satisfied, click Add to Store to sync the embroidered product with your connected online store.